We just had a really hard rain. It actually rained for hours. And the shade tree, it dropped all these red buds. It's breaking bud. So it's dropping all its tree buds. Now I can see that our clog-free design is working really well. You can see the blue screen in there. But I can also see that we have a lot of red tree buds. So you see how the center, the water flow is in the center? Check this out. Check this out, guys. Now you would say, okay, that is clogged. No, it's not. All the buds are up against the door of our vented clean out leaf filter. Behind the buds, you can see our blue filter, our clog-free design. So here, I just push this out of the way. Look at that. Leaves do the same thing. They go up against the door. Clog-free design, guys. Clog-free, right here. I had to grab my phone and get a video file for you because people have a hard time envisioning how this leaf filter was designed to work. It was designed to work flawlessly. It's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna remove all of these tree buds. And there's gonna be more. The next rain will bring more down. We thought of everything when we designed and built this leaf filter. Was there any disappointments? Absolutely not. Everything worked and exceeded our expectations. All right, everybody. If you're appreciating the products that we're making available to the DIYer and contractor, the products that are made here in the United States of America, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing.